Hey guys, Hayley here from Adrenaline Off-Road. We are about to start our HEMA Maps 14-day Outback tour. We're starting here at Spear Creek, which is at the base of the Flinders Ranges, just outside Port Augusta. We're going to take you around the vehicle and show you how we've packed it for this trip. So we are on the road for 14 days. So we've packed accordingly and I'll show you around. Let's go. We're in the Ranger for this trip, the Ford Ranger, which did Cape York last year and a few other trips, didn't it? All right, so we are using Expedition 134 boxes, which are nice and light and big, plenty of storage. This is the clothes box. I like to pack the clothes in these little packs because it separates everything and keeps it all nice and neat. So yeah, so that's our clothes for 14 days. In this box is the kitchen stuff. So I've got washing up stuff, the gas. We're using the Genesis jet boil, the base station for this trip, which folds out into two little cookers, which is good. And that just runs off propane gas. And that's all we'll need for the 2 weeks. And we take these little ones for stuff like the thermocell and the smaller jet boil that we'll use to heat water up in. Yeah, so there's our plates and cutlery in there as well. So that's all in there nicely. At the back, we've got the chainsaw. So we carry an electric chainsaw on the trip with 2 batteries. That's to cut up stuff like firewood. We shouldn't be clearing any tracks for this, so should be all right. The Sabre recovery gear is behind that. So that's full of everything we'll need to get somebody out of trouble if we need it. And up the very back, we've got the compressor. So that's up there. For this trip, this is our table that we're using. So I cook on this, prepare lunch, breakfast, everything. So that's pretty good. And then under here, we've got our shovel, max tracks, and what's in that box?
Spare parts.
Spare parts. So that's nice and handy to have. And that just slides right back in. Okay, and around here with my trusty step, in this box is all our food, our dry food. So I'll pack everything in there. A few of the little extra things like the thermocell. So we use the thermocell for places that have a lot of mosquitoes. We've also put our chairs in there as well because they pack nice and they're small ones. So they pack down, put in there, along with our dirty clothes bag, which is nice and easy. So yeah, that's what we've packed for this trip. And hopefully everything goes smoothly. See ya.